How to fix search bar is not showing on Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like search bar is not showing on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the file explorer on your system. So you have to open this PC. Alright, so after you open it, you'll have to just open the C drive, and now from here open the folder windows. Okay, so from the windows you'll have to scroll down and find the folder like system32. So after you find it, you'll have to just open it. Okay, so from the system32 you'll have to just look for the folder like ctf so after you find it, you'll have to just right click on that. So here in my case I'm not getting that option, so in your case you might be finding that option. So after you find that folder ctf you'll have to just right click on that. So after you right click on that, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your, you'll have to click on show more option, and now from here you'll have to go the option create shortcut. So you have to create a shortcut to your desktop. So after you tap on that, you have to just confirm it, and after you create a shortcut in the desktop, you'll be able to see your desktop shortcut from here. So after you see the ctf shortcut from here, you have to just right click on that, and after you right click, you'll have to just go the option copy, and after you copy that ctf you'll have to just open the run command. So simply you can use the shortcut key Windows plus R, or you can also search in the search field for run, and after you open the run dialog box, you'll have to just type there for cell colon startup. Alright, so after you type it, you'll have to just hit the enter button. Okay, so from this interface you'll have to just paste that shortcut which you have been copied from desktop. So you can easily paste it from here, and after you paste it from here, you'll have to just close this folder from here, and again you'll have to just open the run command, and after this, on the run command, you'll have to just type for ctfmon.exe, and after then you'll have to just hit the enter button, and after you complete all of the procedure from here, you will be easily able to fix that problem, and from there you can easily find the search bar on your Windows. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.